Hello everyone, good day for all. Welcome to Ayurveda Veda, a smart way to Ayurveda. In the last video, we have seen few shlokas from Toya Varga in Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana 5th chapter. Today we will be continuing the rest. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev, Assistant Professor, Department of Samhita and Siddhanta. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. Let's move to the video. In the last video, we have seen the Toya Varga. Today we will be moving with the properties of Nadi Jala. Paschimodadikaha Shikravaha Yascha Amalodakaha Patyaha Samasata Nadyo Viparitas Tato Anyadha. Paschima Udadigaha Shikravaha Yaha Cha Amalodakaha Patyaha Samasataha Nadyaha Viparitaha Tu Ado Anyadha. Paschimaha Udadigaha Shikravaha Yaha Cha Amalodakaha Patyaha samasad taha nadyaha viparitaha tu ado anyatha. The water of the rivers which are flowing into the Paschima or Western Ocean is considered as amalodaka, that is not contaminated or having pure water, and it is patya, that is good for health, whereas that flowing into the Eastern Ocean is not good for consumption. उपलास्फालनाक्षेप विच्छेदैहि खेदिदोदकाः हिमवन्मलयोद्भूता पथ्यास्ता एव च स्थिराः कृमिश्लीपद हृत्कण्ठ शिरोरोगान् प्रकुर्वते. उपलास्फालन आक्षेप विच्छेदैहि खेदिद उदगाः हिमवन्मलयोद्भूताः पथ्याः ता एव च स्थिराः कृमिश्लीपद हृत्कण्ठ शिरोरोगान् प्रकुर्वते. उपलास्फालन आक्षेप विच्छेदैहि खेदित उदगाः हिमवन्मलयोद्भूताः पथ्याः ता एव च स्थिराः कृमिश्लीपद हृत्कण्ठ शिरोरोगान् प्रकुर्वते. The water of rivers arising from Himalaya and Malaya mountains, which get churned up well by dashing against the rocks, is considered as good for health, and the same water, if gets stagnated and gets contaminated, will cause krimi, that is worm infestation, shlipada, filariasis, and hritkanda shiroroga, that is diseases of the heart, throat and head. Prachavantyaparaantotha durnamani mahendrajaha udara shlipadādankan sahyavindyodbhavaha punaha kushtapandu shirorogan doshaknyaha pariyatraja Bala Paurushakaryanyaha Sagarambha Stridoshakrut. Prachi Avanti Aparandotha Durnamani Mahendrajaha Uttara Shlipada Adangan Sakhya Vindhya Udbhavaha Punaha Kushta Pandu Shirorogan Doshaknyaha Pariyatraja Bala Paurushakaryanyaha Sagarambha Tridoshakrit. Prachi Avanti Aparandotha Durnamani Mahendrajaha Uttara Shlipada Adankan Sahya Vindhya Udbhavaha Punaha Kushta Pandu Shirorogan Doshaknyaha Pariyatraja Bala Paurushakaryanyaha Sagarampaha Tridoshakrit. The water of rivers of Pracha, Avanti and Aparanda region causes Durnama or Arsha. Waters of Mahendra mountain causes Udara, that is enlargement of the abdomen or ascites condition, and Shlipada, that is filariasis. Those arising from Sahya and Vindhya mountain causes Kushta, that is skin diseases, Pandu, anemic condition, and Shiroroga, diseases of the head. Those arising from Pariyatra might mitigate the doshas, or that is considered as doshakna, and it enhances Bala and Paurusha, and the sea water causes visheshan of all the three doshas, that is Tridoshakrit. Vidyat Kupa Tadagadin Jankalanupa Shailataha. Vidyat Kupa Tadagadin Jankala Anupa Shailataha. Vidyat Kupa Tadagadin Jankala Anupa Shailataha. The properties of water of Kupa, Tataka, etc., that is the well, artificial pond, etc., depends on the desha in which it is present, that is Jankala, Anupa or Shailata. Jalapanavarsya, contraindication for intake of jala. Nambupeyamashaktya va swalpamalpakni gulmipihi pandudara atisaरार्शो ग्रहणी शोषशोधिपिहि ऋते शरत्निदाघाभ्यां पिबेत् स्वस्थोऽपि च अल्पशः न अम्बुपेयम् अशक्त्या वा स्वल्पम् अल्प अग्नि गुल्मिभिः पाण्डु उदर अतिसार अर्ष ग्रहणी शोष शोधिभिः हृदे शरद निदाघाभ्यां पिबेत् स्वस्थो अपि च अल्पशः न अम्बुपेयम् अशक्त्या वा स्वल्पम् अल्प अग्नि गुल्मिभिः पाण्डु उदर अतिसार अर्ष ग्रहणी शोष शोधिभिः हृदे शरद निदाघाभ्यां पिबेत् स्वस्थो अपि च अल्पशः. The persons who are having the alpagni, that is poor digestive function, gulma, that is abnormal masses, pandu, anemia, udara, enlargement of the abdomen or ascites condition, atisara, diarrhea, arsha, hemorrhoids, and grahani, the diseases of duodenum or the stomach, shosha, emaciation. In such conditions, one person is not advised to take large quantity of water, and except in sharat and nidakha, that is Grishma Ritu, even healthy person or Swastha Purusha is allowed or advised to take little quantity of water only. Samasthula Krisha Bhukta Madhyanda Prathamambupaha. Samasthula Krisha Bhukta Madhya Anda Prathama Ambupaha. Samasthula Krisha Bhukta Madhya Anda Prathama Ambupaha. Based on the time at which water intake is being taken, the effect will be seen in different ways. That is, if water is taken in between the meals, then it will result in sama or swasthya or healthy condition. If the water intake is at the end or anta of the bhojana or meals, then it will lead to sthaulya. And if water intake is in the initial or prathama of the meal time, then it will lead to the krishata. The properties of Shida Jala. Shidam Madatya Glani Murcha Chardi Shrama Brahman Trishna Ushna Daha Pittasra Vishanyambu Niyachati. Shidam Madatya Glani Murcha Chardi Shrama Brahman Trishna Ushna Daha Pittasra Vishani Ambu Niyachati. Shidam Madatya Glani Murcha Chardi Shrama Brahman Trishna Ushna Daha Pittasra Vishanani Ambu Niyachari. The Shida Jala is indicated in Madatya, that is alcoholic intoxication, Glani, exhaustion, Murcha, fainting, Chardi, vomiting, Shrama, fatigue, and Brahma, dizziness or giddiness, and in conditions such as Trishna, that is thirst, Ushna, heat, Daha, burning sensation, Pittasra, bleeding conditions, and Visha, poison. The properties of Ushna Jala. Deepanam Pachanam Kantyam Laghushnam Bastishotanam Hitma Atmana Anila Shleshma Sadhya Shuddhi Navajvare Kasama Pinasa Shvasa Parshve Rukshu Cha Shasyate. Deepanam Pachanam Kantyam Laghu Ushnam Bastishotanam Hitma Atmana Anila Shleshma Sadhya Shuddhi Navajvare Kasa Ama Pinasa Shvasa Parshve Rukshu Cha Shasyate. Deepanam Pachanam Kantyam Laghu Ushnam Bastishotanam Hitma Atmana Anila Shleshma Sadhya Shuddhi Navajvare Kasa Ama Pinasa Shvasa Parshve Rukshu Cha Shasyate. Ushna Jala has the properties such as Deepana, that is, it increases or stimulates the hunger. Pachana helps in digestion. Kantya, good for the throat. Laghu, easy to digest. Bastishodhana cleanses the urinary bladder, and it is ideal for the Sadhya Shuddhi, that is, the person who has underwent the Shodhana karma. And this Ushna Jala helps in relieving Hitma, hiccup, Atmana, flatulence, Anila and Shleshma, Navajvara, Kasa, Ama, Pinasa, Shvasa, and Parshvarukshu. Anabhishyandi Laghuchatoyam Kwathita Shitalam Pittayukte Hitam Doshe Vyushidam Tatra Doshajam. Anabhisyanti Lakhu Cha Toyam Kwathita Shitalam Pittayukte Hitam Doshe Vyushidam Tat Tridoshakrit. Anabhishanti lakhu cha toyam kvatita sheetalam pittayukte hitam doshe vyushidam tat tridoshakrit. The water which is boiled and cooled is considered as anabhishanti, that it does not increases the moisture or stickiness in the body, and it is light or lakhu to digest, and it is useful or helpful in pitta conditions. The water which is kept overnight is not ideal for consumption as it causes or increases the tridosha. Narikelodakam. Narikelodakam snigdham swaduvrishyam himam lakhu trishna pittanilaharam deepanam bastishodhanam. Narikelodakam snigdham swaduvrishyam himam lakhu trishna pittanilaharam deepanam bastishodhanam. Narikelodakam snigdham swaduvrishyam himam lakhu trishna pittanilaharam deepanam bastishodhanam. The properties of Narikelodaka or coconut water, it is Snigdha, Swadu, Vrishya, Hima or Shita, Lakhu, Deepana and Basti Shodhana. It relieves Trishna and Pitta Anila conditions. Varshasu Divyanadeye Param Toye Varavare Idi Toya Vargaha. Varshasu Divya Nadeye Param Toye Vara Avare Idi Toya Vargaha. Varshasu Divya Nadeye Param Toye Vara Avare Idi Toya Vargaha. During the Varsha Ritu, the rainwater is the best for consumption and the river water is least suitable for the consumption. Thus, the Toya Varga ends here. The properties of Gangambu, Samudrambu, Nadi Jala and Ushna Jala, Shita Jala, Kvatita Shita Jala and Narikelodaka has been explained in this particular Varga. Today we have seen the shlokas from Toya Varga from Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana 5th chapter. We will be continuing the rest of the shlokas in the upcoming videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.